Bismillah. All right, good day, guys. Welcome back to Kana channel. Konnichiwa minasan, Kana desu. Hi. Today, this this is an unfortunate accident, unfortunate misfortune, whichever words you wanna use it. Um, as you in the mining world, in the mining community, each motherboard, I wouldn't say each motherboard, but most motherboard can handle 6 GPUs. As you if you watch the previous video, this motherboard, I'm able to get to 5 GPUs working in working together. Okay, so this motherboard, so I was intrigued by um, the majority of a motherboard out there able to run 6 GPUs at a time. So I tried with this motherboard, um, but I couldn't get it to 6 GPUs. Even though I used splitters, PCI splitters, I couldn't get this motherboard to run with 6 GPUs. So I was intrigued to improvise, not to say improvise, but try to get the motherboard to run 6 GPUs. So there was update on the MSI website for this type of motherboard. There's update for the BIOS, motherboard BIOS. So I did download. I was um, I was thinking probably this motherboard needs the BIOS update to get it working with 6 GPUs. So I did download the latest BIOS for the motherboard, and as I was restarting the motherboard, the system, by the way, it's empty right now. It's empty. It's not running. The GPUs is not running. So back to the story I was telling. So I was restarting, entering to the BIOS of the system, um, and I, how should I say, I click the M flash BIOS function in the system, and the screen just black out. Um, the screen just blacks, just nothing came out of on the screen. I'm not sure the word for it. Blackout. Um, the system is on, but it's not. There's nothing came out on the screen, so it's black. Um, Black screen. Yes, that's the word. Black screen. So when that happened, I tried. Of course, I tried to wait a few minutes, but nothing came out. I tried to restart the system, restart the power. Nothing came out. Black screen, just black screen. So this is an unfortunate accident. I'm not saying it's accident, but unfortunate event. That's a word. Okay, unfortunate event. So, oh, by the way, side note, this motherboard is made in China. Again, I'm not discriminating or anything against China or whatnot or whatever. I'm just saying, it's made in China. Usually, so the problem now is the BIOS. Should I say the BIOS is dead? Um, the BIOS is dead. So thankfully, it still have its 3-year warranty. I just bought it last month. If you guys buy products, especially electronics, in my case, especially electronics. Try to buy um, products, electronic products elsewhere from China. Anything away from China, if you get what I mean. Try to buy products made in other than China. If you get what I mean. I'm not discriminating China. There's a good quality. Some certain products, certain category of products is good. Some are not. But in any case, but in this case, try to buy products made in elsewhere from China. For example, good quality standards such as Japan or or I cannot think of anywhere else. But for example, Japan, buy products if you can buy products made in Japan. Um, good quality, good quality standard countries. What I mean is that I'm not saying uh, every products from China is bad, but try to buy products that is has good quality standards. Um, in this case, this motherboard is made in China. I don't know if it's related or not to the quality, but just imagine you just want to go into the M-Flash BIOS function or the page inside the BIOS system, and the screen just black out, black screen, nothing else. Uh, this is I don't know. I'm not complaining. I'm just frustrated. I just bought this motherboard last month, and just going to the function, the page inside the system itself, and not and can we say it's broken now? It's broken now, right? Just say it like that. But this is this is frustrating, man. Um, but anyway, any case, I hope you guys get good information. Try to learn from my experience, from my problems, from my mistakes. Um, to be clear, this is not my mistake. I just went to the mFlash BIOS page and the screen just black out, black screen, nothing else. I don't know. Should can we say the quality of the product is that low? Um, I'm not saying it's dirt low, but it's low. So I hope you guys get a good information out of this my experience, and try to avoid this type of problems if you can. Um, just just an update from for my second rig. I hope you guys can how to say get good information from out of this, good, and avoid these mistakes. But in any case, oh, by the way, I bought this mini mouse keyboard. It uses wireless, and it has the receiver. This is good. This is beneficial. For example, if you have three rigs or more, five, six, seven, you wouldn't want to buy this type of keyboard and mouse um, for each of the rigs. It's a hassle, and the price is this one is cheaper than keyboard and mouse separately. So I recommend if you have three or more, even two rigs, you might want to get this type of a keyboard and mouse combo. You can just search on Amazon or eBay or any shopping online near your country. Um, and get this type of meat combo. You use battery. uh, if you don't want to use the battery, you can use the mini USB cable to connect it. If you rather want to use direct connection, power connection, rather than buying battery each time, to be conservative. But in any case, this is a side note. um, so right now, this keyboard, um, try to restart it. Nothing came out on the screen, just black screen. It also has the if you can see the flash BIOS, external flash BIOS. I tried it to get it the flash BIOS LED lights up, but nothing, no success. um so I'll go back to the shop, uh and hopefully they can repair it, or RMA it, or change it to a new motherboard. I don't care, as long as I get a good quality motherboard. uh it's frustrating. You buy a product like this and it doesn't live up to your standards. Not to mention my standards, but just a regular standard of buying a product like this. But well, whatever, man. I'll go back to the shop and ask them how to get new one, or RMA or repair. I don't care. I just need a working motherboard, a long running working motherboard, and I'm able to run my rig. If you understand, this is minus to understand. This is, most of them understand, this is our livelihood, this is our job, this is full-time job for me. This is my job now, this is my full-time job, this is my work, this is my occupation. So I need the rig running. So in any case, uh get this running, get my second rig running. And oh, by the way, my first rig is also having a problem, unstable. So in any case, I need to get my second rig running, then build another rig slowly. I'm not rich. I cannot buy all the equipments another rig uh, in a wholesome. Uh, I hope you understand what I mean by wholesome. So get this second rig running, build a third rig, then probably then I can fix the instability on this rig. But in case, I hope you guys get good information out of my experience, and avoid these mistakes. So in any case, thanks for watching and take care, guys.